Hey guys, 2100 here. Today, I'm going to show you I got the machine. Also got a lot of other stuff. I got the KRK Rocket 5s, the Fast Track Pro, and the Fast Track Pro came with this mic, which was actually pretty cool. I haven't tried this mic out yet, but this is about the machine. Okay, I got the machine a couple days ago, and I'm having trouble setting it up with Logic. I use Logic, and I don't really know how to record within Logic. I can play on it and record it in the Machine plugin, but I can't really get it to record in Logic. So I can get it to record in here, but I can't actually get it to record in Logic like that. Yeah, so do any of you guys know how to get this into Logic so it doesn't just play, but it's also recorded, so when I export it or bounce it, it will stay there? Yeah, so please help if any of you guys know. I've been looking around everywhere and I can't find anything. Yeah, so see ya.